Welcome back to Couponing 101. Now that you have your coupons ready, you have your insert coupons, you have some printable coupons, the next step, step 3, is to watch for sales. So you can do this in several ways. You could just simply pull out your weekly ad that you get in a newspaper, or you go to the grocery store and you bring home their ad just to scan through the current sales, right? And as you scan through them, you might suddenly recognize that you have a coupon for something that's currently on sale. That's what we call the matchup, which is going through the weekly ad, finding out what's on sale and matching that with existing coupons. That's what a matchup is. So you could do that. Oh, and also, once you get your coupons, your weekly coupons from the newspaper, do scan through them, because it teaches your brain, like it gives it exposure to what coupons are available. You're not gonna remember everything, but your brain's gonna remember, some of them. And when you see a sale, you might be like, hey, I think I have a coupon for that. So that's one way. Another way to watch for sales is to read blogs like freestufffinder.com, where we do post every single day, multiple times a day, deals from the various different stores. And we do matchups for specific stores like Target and CVS, where we go more in depth of what's on sale that week and what different coupons you can use. And then the really best deals, we pull them out and we'll have an individual post for them. So those are the two ways. This is a really simple step, but it's a vital step to just teach yourself to start watching for them, keeping an eye out for what's happening in your store locally, keeping an eye out on couponing blogs that do list different sales. So that's it for this step. It's pretty simple, and I will see you in the next video.